Alright, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to cut a bell pepper. They look like this. This is going to be a relatively simple guide. You can find these at your local Walmart, Costco, Safeway, Publix, whatever you feel like. He doesn't like the stand. So what you need to do this, you need a bell pepper. That's pretty important. Ideally a wooden cutting board and a knife. So you could do multiple things with these guys, but the way the bell pepper is there's a bunch of seeds right below this stem. So we're going to try to cut and avoid that because it's very hollow on the inside. And what I like to do is I like to start from the top over here and there's some thick lines. Just pick a few, 3 or 4 of them. Just take your knife, stab it right through. You go straight down. Then you rotate and you look for another one of those sets right over here. And then you go in and down. And then I like to do at least 3. So we're going to do this one right here. Oops. Go in and down. And then from here you can look over, you can see where you cut. And ideally you cut all the way through. But if not, it's okay. Nothing a little tearing can do. And then you take this part over here with my right thumb, and I'm just gonna simply pull it back. And then it's just gonna come right out. And then you do that again with the other part. Now you got a bunch of bell peppers over here that have been sliced up. So I'm not gonna move these guys to the side. No one needs to see them, even though you can still see them. So now, normally this whole seed part comes off with it. So we're gonna try to get these seeds out. And I'm gonna first cut straight through the center. Just make it nice and simple, easy to get us access to the seed pouch. And then you're gonna wanna cut this white part out. And so that's the goal. So you're gonna take your knife and then just cut your way through. It's really soft, so it comes off pretty easily. And then there's some seeds in here. You could take these seeds and you could throw them in a pot of your own, and you can try to grow your own bell peppers. Now that you have this part right here, you're gonna put it right in the center. Try not to cut yourself, and then just put straight down. Boom. And you can make these as thin as you want. This can be used for fajitas if you're interested in that, or you can thin and dice them for smaller bits, depending on whatever you want to use your peppers for. So now to dice them, take your guy over here. Try to zoom this in a little bit. And then I always like to have it on this side just because it makes it a lot easier for the knife to cut through, because this top skin is really tough, so it's harder. But here it's really soft and you just gone. And do your next bit. Of course, you can do this however you want. But yeah, that's a short tutorial on how to actually cut a bell pepper.